Ahoy, ahoy. Gavin here from Fernando Guitars. No, it is. I mean, really. I had a haircut, beard trim. Well, I can't... Let's change the look a little bit then. Happier now? Right, there we go. So, for my entry for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021, I was inspired by three things. First one was last year's Rastacaster that I made for Pete Rankin. One of the best instruments I've ever made. Sounds superb, looks great, feels fantastic. Kind of jealous that I had to give it away to him, but I've made my own. Second thing that inspired me was I wanted to expand upon that idea a bit, and Cody Clayton, when he was talking about pickups for his guitars, and I said, hey, you're going to put P90s, and he goes, is there anything better? And he's kind of got a point. P90s have got a great sound all of their own, so I wanted a P90 in it. The third thing that inspired me was the new cover of the book Dune. I've read them a number of times. Don't go past like the fifth book. That would be obsessive. But the new cover of the book has wonderful colouring, great graduation and contrast. And I wanted to try and get that kind of feel of movement, of sand and what have you in a guitar. So first we'll be showing how I made it. Here we go, and I'll see you soon. Welcome back. So here's the guitar finished. Let me go through how I've done things here. Maple neck, I think it's zebrano fingerboard, but as you saw from the video, not the first neck I made. I've got special Wilkinson tuners on here with painted a simple type of locking mechanism on them, coloured down from the green and yellow to the beautiful red and yellow of the body. I used worktop oil on the neck. I've been using oil a lot on necks because it gives a nice smooth finish. The worktop oil is waterproof, easily absorbed, hardens the timber quite nicely, and is affordable. It's a really good option. The body is ash, it's two-piece ash. You can rather obviously see where the join is here. It's not in the middle. It's what was available. There's some beautiful flaming here. Lots of body carving all the way down here. I wanted a bit more of a swooping feel in it. We've got one of the special cutaway plates for the neck. Magnets on the plate at the back. Nice positive sound there. As usual with my guitars, we've got strap locks that are hidden. Nice carve. I've used a Wilkinson bridge here, I'll come back to that. Other things I've done, brass nut. It's a 44.5mm nut width, and the neck thickness is a little bit thicker as well. All of these widths and thicknesses go all the way through. I wanted to try and get a bit more, yet again, of the classical guitar feel to it. So everything's a bit wider, a bit chunkier. It's a great neck to hold, like that. It takes a bit of getting used to play, I have to admit, but not too much. I've also gone with my patented thigh carve, because I like holding the guitar like that. The volume is nice and easily adjustable with your little finger, in a good position down here. Admittedly, I ought to have moved the tone a little bit further away, but it's alright. And the normal pop-out Telecaster style thing there, which matches the ferrules on the back. There's a little bit of epoxy fill thing down there, but it's nothing too major. There is a little sneaky thing that I've built into this, which is, if you have a look at the close-ups on the bridge, you'll notice that it doesn't have a back to it. This is a Wilkinson bridge for Telecasters, but you can put a Bigsby on it. So the backs are down so you can feed the strings in over the top. I've done it in mock-ups, but I don't know if I'll do it with the real thing because of this carve here. But it's these lovely compensated brass saddles that brought me to the Wilkinson bridge. What it is though, is when we plug it in, a monster of a sound. Let's do that. So just go through basic tones of these pickups. Ash body, as we've already said. We've got... Right, there we go. Steel twin 2 in the bridge. P90 and... I've already forgotten what this one is. It is the Blues Engine. We used two of these pickups before on the Rastacaster and they came out just singing. So I frankly wanted one myself. So... it's nice on its own. The P90 on its own. So a bit more body than the bridge pickup, a bit rounder, nice and smooth. and the humbucker.
Lovely. Now, in the this position, got one of those coils and this coil, so working against each other. Nice. And the other mixed position is down here. Doesn't sound as mighty because it's only one of the coils of this twin one here. Still damn good though, lovely sound. A few different pedals on the board today. Let's try the P90 with the governor. Nice. Do have something fun to add on to the pedal board today. That's lovely. Lovely wide range of tones there, and a really nice thick neutral tone as well. I am damn happy with that. So in summation, this is my guitar. I've called it the Arrakis. All in all, it's an absolutely massive sounding guitar and I'm really pleased with it. So for your consideration. Anyway, leave me your questions, any ideas and thoughts. What would you change? What would you add? What would you take away? Did I overdo it with a P90? Do you like the colouring? Do you hate the colouring? Let me know and I'll respond to every single question. Many thanks. Until next time, toodle pip.